And here's the Friday Freaker gets a new sensation.
Hey, how are you? Okay, gosh, I'm not sure about some of these ingredients, but it's gonna be awesome. Let's get started right now. So come on in. Soaking all night, 12 to 24 hours. You want to soak the chicken in.
I
don't recommend using mayonnaise. Fat buttermilk. Regular buttermilk.
I don't recommend
Using
gonna
imitation
beat that on slow.
buttermilk. All right, now you're gonna bring over the flour mixture that you did. Last night, I had a dream. It was Flavortown. It was Flavortown. This is the last Cooking with Jack. Take care. Bye. Here's to Jack. Here's to Flavortown. So good.
For your kid.
Beautiful.